earlier, in elementary and junior high school, we were kind of forced to go to Japanese school and things, and just to learn. In high school, I really didn't do that anymore, but still my parents would speak a lot of Japanese to us, and so I would be able to kind of understand that. And also, I guess when I was in junior high school and elementary school, my grandparents, my father's parents, were living with us for a while, and so and they definitely did not speak any English at all. So in order to communicate with them, it had to be in some kind of a Japanese broken English form. And so all of that was part of, I guess, my language understanding or education as far as Japanese. I never, unfortunately, really kind of embraced really trying to learn it more, which I really regret right now because of the things we're doing now, and also, just my relationship with things that's in Japan. Although, fortunately, when I do travel in Japan, things kind of come back after a while.